Hello and welcome. Today we're going to build the M24 sniper rifle. Here are the parts you're going to need. By the way, when I was originally taking apart this gun so I could display it for the "Here are the parts you're going to need" segment, one of my clip pieces unfortunately broke. Please stick around to the end, because we will be holding a ceremony for those pieces that we have lost, as it is something we do here on the Toad Builds Bricks channel. Anyways, the M24 is a military police version of the Remington 700. The M24 was designed in 1988 by Remington Arms and used in service by the United States in both military and police roles to this very day. The gun takes 7.62 rifle cartridges with an internal magazine and a capacity of 5 rounds. And now it is complete. So here's your finished product. But this is the original model. And I cannot tell which version I like more. So let me know in the comments below which make you prefer. Is it the top one or the bottom one? If it's the bottom one, then I guess I have to make another video, don't I?